According to Scotland's provisional figures for 2023, there were 26 motorcycle fatalities across Scotland. While this number seems small, motorcyclists make up 1% of everyone on the road and accounts for 17% of all road deaths. Further data from the Department of Transport reveals that 92% of all motorcycle fatalities are men. The data also shows that more urban areas like Glasgow are minefields for crashes. This is due to many vehicles on the road and not seeing more cyclists out there. So for people who ride out there, especially in Glasgow, make sure to ride like no one sees you on the road and to ride your own ride. And let us know your experiences down below.